Hi everyone, welcome back in our today's session. In our last session, we revised 3 pre-number concepts: big, small, up, down and tall and short. Today, we will revise these pre-number concepts through an activity. First, we will revise big and small concept through this activity. For this, I have 2 baskets. This is big basket and this is a small basket. Here I have some objects. If the object is big, we will keep that object in the big basket. And if the object is small, we will keep that object in the small basket. Here I have 2 erasers. This is a big eraser and this is a small eraser. So, we will keep this big eraser in the big basket and small eraser in the small basket. Here I have 2 boxes. Now tell me which one is big? Yes, this box is big and this box is small. So we will keep this big box in the big basket and small box in the small basket. Here I have 2 cream boxes. Now tell me which one is big? This is a big cream box and this is a small cream box. Now tell me, can we put this big box in small basket? No. We keep this big box in big basket and small cream box in small basket. Now I have 2 paper glasses. This is a big paper glass and this is a small paper glass. Now tell me, can we put this small paper glass in big basket? No. So we will keep big glass in big basket and small glass in the small basket. So these are big objects and small objects. Big and small. Big and small. Now we will revise our up-down concept through this activity. This is a nest. The nest is up on the tree. There are 2 eggs and 2 birds in the nest. The birds in the nest are hungry. One of them saw some grains down on the ground. So it came down to eat the grains. खाना खाने के बाद वह वापस अपने नेस्ट में चला गया. Then other bird came down to eat the grains. After eating, he goes up in its nest. So, up and down. Birds are up and grains are down. Now, we will revise tall and short concept through this activity. Here, I have divided the chart paper into 2 parts. In the left box, we will put tall objects and in the right box, we will put short objects. Here I have 2 penguins. This is tall penguin and this is short penguin. So we will keep our tall penguin in the left box and short penguin in the right box. Now I have 2 pencils. One is tall and other is short. Can we put our tall pencil with the short objects? No. We will keep our tall pencil in the left box and short pencil in the right box. Now I have two scales. One is tall and other is short. So we will keep our tall scale in the left box and short scale in the right box. Now I have two jars. One is tall and other is short. So we will keep our tall jar in the left side box and short jar in the right side box. So these are tall objects and these are short objects. Tall, short. Tall and short. Now it's time for worksheet solution. In this worksheet, in the first box, you had to color the big object. Which object is big? An apple or a ball? Yes, a ball is big. So, I have colored in this ball. In the next box, we had to circle the girl who is climbing up. This girl is climbing up. So, I have circled here. In the last box, we had to tick the animal which is tall. Giraffe is a tall animal. So, I have put a tick mark in this box. I hope you have done the same. So kids, did you enjoy our today's activity? Yes, you can do this activity at your home with your mummy and papa. So keep practicing. Have a great day. Keep smiling. Bye bye.